and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Size Leg RC. On today's video, it is a review. It's another review. The guys over at Wave RC have kindly sent me another product. Well, they actually asked me what I would like to have a crack at, and I chose this, what I'm going to show you. Two reasons. One, it looks really cool, and two, it seems to be becoming a popular thing in the RC community. I don't know if I've just been missing a trick or what, but it seems to be picking up a lot of traction on YouTube, for example, these particular RCs. So anyway, let me show you what I've got. Sorry, I had an itchy nose there. We've got an excavator. Come on. And we've also got a cappuccino, because I just got back from the holidays last night and I'm knackered. So here we go, cappuccino and an excavator. So I'm going to open the box up and just show you what you get. So I've noticed there's a tiny little knock on the box there. However, I do believe, because I watched Tommy RC's channel and he reviewed, yes, they come in, that's what I was going to say, I do believe they come in very sturdy packaging. Quite a nice looking box actually. Like a little wooden pallet style crate. Let's just put that over there. We'll find a shelf for that to sit on and just look pretty. Put it there for now. Let's have a little look and see what we get in here. Just for the record, this is a Yingong Toys product. And as I said earlier, it's from Wave RC. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Woohoo, look at it. So let's have a quick look what you get. Nice bit of packaging. Looks like a colour manual. Yeah, you get a nice colour manual. Metal tracks, which are in here somewhere, because the ones that are on it are just plastic. But you do get the optional metal ones. Battery for the excavator, battery for the controller, which is nice, I like that. Chargers, bits and pieces, let's make sure it's all in the box. And it's just, yeah. Oh, it looks like the charger goes in the top there. Let's get it out. Have a little look. Now what we'll do first is get the controller. So this is 1/50th scale. So you've got quite a lot of functions on here. Got some, it looks like you've got a sound button there. On and off switch, lights. Not sure what these two are at the bottom are for. Do we have, oh yes. We've got full control. It's not just up or down, left and right. It is diagonal, around. I'm assuming that is going to be for the tracks. So yeah, that's quite a cool little thing. Little screw on the back there. Pop the battery in. So what I'll do is I'll get some batteries on charge. Nice, I like that. What else do you get? Bag there. Some plastic trim bits. Going off the picture, these look like the little ladders that sit on the side. And a couple of screws and some nuts. And we've got batteries and chargers. So battery for the controller, battery for the excavator, and two separate chargers, which is good. Comes with two. Some companies only send one. Oh, we have a screwdriver. Also got a bit of rubbish there. And oh, look at these. Look at them. Hang on. These are the metal tracks. I don't know how easy they're going to be to fit. We'll try and work that out, but it's definitely getting these put on it. 100%. Let's just put them over there. Alright, let's get the big lad out. Oh, yes. Let me move that out of the way. Look at that! Oh, that is a piece of kit. But I'm going to have to put a battery in it to make everything move. So it is plastic. Oh, it's got a little bit of metal on the top there. Obviously that looks like, yeah, it's got metal in the is it the boom? I think this is called the boom. Metal functions in the boom, and obviously we are going to put the metal tracks on. So flashy light here, potentially lights on the back, I'm not sure, but it is from the company Yigong. I think that's how you pronounce it. So this is the Yigong 970 SME. I want to get some batteries in this and give it a crack. I think it's even got a little man in it. It's even got a little man in it. Let's have a little shufty. How do you open that? Oh, nice and easy. Quite a nice space there for the battery. Just pop the battery in there. We'll see what happens. In fact, let's just see if there's a little bit of charge in them batteries. Right, I've literally just put the batteries in. I'm going to press the noise button, which turns the noise off. Fantastic. Press the light button. That turns that light off. Oh, hang on. There's lights on the boom as well. So we press it, it flashes that, turns them off, flashes. Oh, yes. Right, let's... Oh! Well, that's exciting. Oh. Oh, yes. Right, hang on. So, boom down, boom up. Left and right on this one is the scoop. So let's go forward on that one. That's that. Oh, yes, that's that boom. Right, okay. Oh, my word. Full 360 as well. Right, let's put you in. Tuck you in. Like that. Now. Don't know what them bottom buttons do. I will read the instructions. When you press it, a cog appears up on the little screen. Cool little screen though. Nice little display screen. So, oh dear. Let's straighten you up. Right. Oh. Hey! So these ones on the top make you go forward or backwards, or you can turn around just using one. Oh my days, this is the coolest thing ever. Yes. Woohoo! Dig. Gosh, look at that, she wheelies and everything. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I love it. This is awesome. I don't know how I'll make it work though. No, I'm not very good with diggers, not gonna lie. I can just do stuff like this. Fantastic. This thing needs to go outside. 100% needs to go outside. Put the bucket in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the batteries on charge properly, put the metal tracks on, put all the little extra bits on it, and then we'll properly take it out. So I have now fitted all of the nice bits. As you can see, we've got the little steps on there on both sides, and it's also got the metal tracks. Now, this thing is cool. And yes, I have got a different t-shirt on, just in case you're all wondering and thinking, why does he keep going through like wardrobe changes midway through this video? It's because the bits that I did all this kind of thing with, telling you I'd put the tracks on and the intro and all that, decided that the sound didn't want to work. So anyway, there you go. So I came up with a fantastic idea. I dug a little bit of garden up with my grass. So, remember what everything does. That's that one I was looking for. So we'll go down. Struggling. Oh, we've got some muck. Here we go. Can't drive it in a straight line. See that? Oh, I picked some muck up. This is awesome. It takes so much concentration. This is a testament to my skill. Straighten it up. Oh. Well, what can I say about this Yigong? I think that's how you pronounce it. Yigong excavator, 150 scale, which I probably mentioned earlier on in the video, but as I said, it's been a few days now, so I can't remember. It's cool. It is cool. Yes, it's only 150 scale, but there's a little place at RC Adventures in Shildon what they've dedicated for diggers, excavators, and things along the lines of this. The stuff I've seen go to the track, which I haven't actually been, I've just seen it online. I haven't had time to get to the track, which I am going to get back though. I promise, John. I promise. The stuff I've seen looks bigger than this, but I am sure there will be a place for this. Absolutely positive there will be a place for this over at RC Adventures Shildon. And I think it would fit in great. How cool would it look on a trailer, on the back of a truck, just getting, you know. Anyway, this is the 970 SME Yagong excavator. Thanks very much, Wave RC, for putting your trust in me again to do a little review. Thanks a lot.